Hey guys, Nitro here. Did you like that intro that I did? It's pretty cool. And I've been seeing my other videos, and I assume that ghost video was fake. I just want to admit it, just to let you guys know. But it's pretty cool. We worked about how long the video is on that. And I just want to let you know, hope you guys like that video and also other video, nitro space 6 space 27. My dad did that. I wanted to call Nerf gun video. Hope you guys see this video before the second one, just to let you know. So I'm going to do another Nerf video, and just to let you know, and how in that video I said, I don't know, I probably said, well, if I get more than 10 viewers on that video, I'll bring in the Doominator that I wanted to show you guys, but I didn't have. So I'm going to show you guys the Doominator, since I looked at my video and I got one viewer. So hope you guys like this Nerf gun video. I'll be back with the other 5. Just kidding. So this one's the Doominator, the one that I promised you that I'll do. Right here is where you put in your 2 fingers, and it has 6 bullets and all 4 bullet holders. And you can take this handle off. It's a twistable, and it can go right, left, and also bottom. It can't go top. And this isn't actually wooden, it's just plastic. And if you don't put on the handle, it's going to be much more stressing, because you're going to have to pull this to shoot. This is how it works. Just go like, or hold it like this. Shoot. Shoot. Every time. And I'm trying to make this video short because it takes 5 hours. It's like 24 minutes for a 5-minute video to come on. I just want this video to come out quick. And I'm going to have the Nerf Rival, not the Nerf Rival Polo. It's too expensive, and its batteries included, sold separate. And here's where you prime the top. I got this information when I was getting it before I was a YouTuber, when I was getting this from this YouTuber, and I just wanted to shout him out. Thank you for those facts. Those are very good facts. They're all correct. And what does this is how you, like, if it's out this way, you can't shoot the side without the rival pointing, and out this side with it pointing at the rival, it can shoot. And obviously don't put it next to your ear because it'll ear pierce you. And it's also in a thunderstorm. If you can't hear me when it's thundering, sorry about that. Here's the Rampage. One that I like. It has an attachable stock right here, and I don't have a stock for it. And when you cock it back once, it's same like the MKLL, the second video it's in. You just gotta cock it back, and it comes out immediately. This I think this comes with it. I got this many years ago, so I probably really don't remember. Like, it can hold 18, not 81. That would be crazy if it hold 81. That would be pretty impressive too. Yeah. Oh, and if ever a bullet gets stuck, Aussie has this. Oh, there's work. Okay, I'm done with this video. So I hope you guys like this video. Nitro is